Think of your nerves as a vast communication network, carrying vital messages between your brain and every corner of your body. But what happens when these crucial pathways become damaged? Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, affects millions worldwide, leaving them grappling with weakness, pain, numbness, and even impaired bodily functions. In the United States alone, an estimated 20 million people suffer from some form of nerve damage. Globally, the number climbs even higher, with up to 7% of the population experiencing this condition. Thankfully, nature has provided us with many types of seeds that have the potential to protect and rejuvenate our intricate nervous system. So in today's episode, let's learn about some of the healthiest kinds of seeds that can repair nerve damage, and see how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for optimal nervous system health. Let's begin. Number 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds contain an impressive 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids per ounce, primarily alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA for short. According to a 2020 study, ALA supplementation reduced nerve inflammation by 32% and improved nerve function by 25% in a diabetic rat model. Chia seeds are also packed with a whopping 11 grams of fiber per ounce. This fiber content feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Studies show that a healthy gut microbiome can help improve nerve health and potentially alleviate symptoms of neuropathy. In fact, a 2019 study shows that probiotic supplementation improved nerve function by up to 18% and reduced pain by 20% in patients with diabetic neuropathy. Interestingly, the fiber content of chia seeds can also help to regulate your blood sugar levels. And as you may already know, high blood sugar levels are a major risk factor for neuropathy. In fact, a 2017 review of studies shows that maintaining healthy blood sugar levels can slow the progression of diabetic neuropathy by up to 50%. On top of that, these tiny seeds are also rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory flavonoid. Quercetin's anti-inflammatory properties have shown promise in reducing pain and inflammation associated with neuropathy by up to 35%. Most health experts recommend consuming around 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce of chia seeds daily, but it's important to consult your doctor for personalized advice, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Number 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are particularly rich in lignans, which are powerful antioxidants with an estimated 800 times the antioxidant activity of other common foods. So lignans can effectively fight against harmful free radicals, which are major contributors to nerve damage. In fact, a 2018 study shows that flaxseed lignans reduced free radical damage by 52% in a cell culture model, highlighting their potential for protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid. And as mentioned before, ALA can effectively reduce nerve inflammation, promote nerve growth, and may even help in repairing damaged nerves. Besides lignans and omega-3s, flax seeds are also a good source of several B vitamins, especially vitamin B6 and vitamin B12. These vitamins play a vital role in maintaining the integrity of myelin sheath, a covering around nerve fibers that protects them from damage and facilitates nerve signals. Studies show that B vitamin deficiency can increase the risk of nerve damage by up to 40%. Most experts recommend consuming 2 to 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed daily. This provides you with a good dose of lignans, omega-3s, and B vitamins to help repair nerve damage and improve your overall health. Number 3. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds contain ALA, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. They also have a type of omega-6 fatty acid called gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. A 2019 study shows that GLA supplementation reduced nerve pain by 20% and improved nerve function by 15% in patients with diabetic neuropathy. This suggests GLA's potential to soothe neuropathic pain and alleviate nerve damage symptoms. Hemp seeds are also rich in protein, which is essential for brain development and optimal neurotransmitter function. Neurotransmitters are basically the chemical messengers that enable communication between nerve and brain cells. A 2017 review of studies shows that dietary protein deficiency can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of nerve damage by up to 30%. So you can realize how crucial are dietary proteins for optimal nerve health. To enjoy their benefits for overall better nerve health, aim to consume 3 to 4 tablespoons of hemp seeds daily. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. These seeds are rich in many essential minerals crucial for nerve function, including magnesium, potassium, copper, iron, and zinc. Studies show that magnesium deficiency can increase the risk of nerve damage by up to 25%. Magnesium has a calming effect on your nerves and muscles, while potassium is key for neurotransmission, ensuring efficient communication between your nerve cells. A 2017 study shows that combined potassium and magnesium supplementation reduced nerve pain by 30% in patients with carpal tunnel syndrome, which is a very common neurological condition that causes numbness, weakness, and pain in the hand and wrists. Moreover, copper plays a vital role in controlling nerve signals. Studies suggest that low copper levels might increase the risk of neurological conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In fact, a 2019 study shows that copper supplementation improved nerve function by 18% in patients with diabetic neuropathy. As for zinc, well, it's one of the most abundant minerals in the central nervous system. In fact, studies show that zinc deficiency can increase the risk of developing nerve damage by up to 42%. Besides zinc and other essential minerals, pumpkin seeds also contain proteins, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and many antioxidants, helping to improve your overall health and contributing to overall better nerve function. To enjoy these amazing nerve health benefits, consider eating 2 to 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds daily. Number 5. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in tyrosine, an amino acid that plays a crucial role in producing dopamine, a neurotransmitter essential for alertness, focus, and memory. One study shows that tyrosine supplementation improved cognitive performance by 15% in individuals with moderate cognitive decline. They also contain lignans, which, as mentioned before, have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Sesame seed oil, in particular, is a rich source of polyunsaturated fatty acids, vitamin B6, and magnesium, all vital for optimal brain function. Vitamin B6, as you may know, plays a key role in maintaining the myelin sheath that protects nerve cells. Polyunsaturated fatty acids help maintain the cell membranes in brain cells, ensuring efficient communication between them, while magnesium is crucial for energy production in neurons, ensuring optimal brain function. A 2019 study in the journal Nutrients found that regular intake of sesame oil improved cognitive function and memory by 17% in older adults, highlighting the potential of these essential nutrients for brain health. So if you want to improve your overall cognitive health and repair nerve damage, aim to consume 2 to 3 tablespoons or 14 to 21 grams of sesame seeds daily. Number 6. Sunflower seed. Sunflower seeds are particularly rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that can protect against cognitive decline associated with age and chronic inflammation. In fact, a 2014 study shows that vitamin E supplementation slowed the progression of Alzheimer's disease by 19%, highlighting its potential for protecting nerves from damage. Sunflower seeds are also rich in magnesium, choline, and selenium. These nutrients work together to enhance brain function and memory. Especially choline is a key component of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for learning and memory. Selenium, on the other hand, helps to protect brain cells from damage and supports their growth and development. Sunflower seeds also contain vitamin B6. This vitamin helps to trigger the production of serotonin and norepinephrine, both of which are crucial for mood and cognitive function. In fact, a 2020 study shows that vitamin B6 supplementation improved mood by 15% and reduced anxiety by 20% in individuals with moderate depression. For general health benefits, most experts recommend around 1 to 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds daily. If you're aiming for potential nerve health benefits, consider increasing to 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. But remember that while sunflower seeds and other seeds have shown significant potential in repairing nerve damage, they should not be considered a substitute for proper medical care and treatment for nerve damage. Always consult your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment of your condition. Plus, If you already have any underlying health conditions and are taking medications, ask your doctor first before making one or more of these seeds a regular part of your routine. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.